Hi, good evening friends. This is Nurullah with you all. Today is 29th of October. I was traveling from Tiruchirappalli from India to United Arab Emirates after my short vacation of a week time. And it was a nice journey. It was raining back in Tiruchirappalli when I was departing in the airport. And it was a nice weather there, although it was a humid situation. And uh, when I was traveling in Air India Express IX611 from Tiruchirappalli to Dubai International Airport. In the beginning of the travel, it was nothing because once the aircraft took off, it was a kind of blank sky and there was nothing interesting. So I was asleep because I was having complete tiredness because I got off early in the morning, 1:30 a.m. because I need to be in the airport 6 hours before the departure due to PCR test and all other procedures. So I was very tired and I slept. But after a while, when the aircraft was nearing Dubai International Airport, the flight was flying through Oman. The terrain and geographical landscapes of Oman, which was such a beautiful sight. And suddenly, despite the fact that I was completely overwhelmed with sleep, my mind got awakened actually, although my body still got tired. And I took my mobile camera from S21 Ultra, tried with all zoom features to try to magnify and zoom in the images down. And I was trying to flip the video camera to show myself just for a while. And it was such an amazing and very good experience, beautiful experience to see the aerial view, especially with good camera with zoom in. It was such a wonderful experience, and see the beautiful clouds wavering here and there, and beautiful mountainous and rocky terrain of Oman, the country of Oman, Sultanate of Oman. It was such a beautiful sighting in the morning because I was traveling. The flight was taking off in 10:55 in the morning, and the arrival time in Dubai International Airport is 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon. It was a beautiful daylight, during which time this sighting, the opportunity to see all these sightings was there. So I used this as a great opportunity for me to capture all these in a video with zoom in features, to present and to let you see these beautiful images and sightings and beautiful terrains and geographical landscapes of Oman. It was a rocky area. As you see, it is a sandy and rocky area because the whole geographical area, when you see in the Oman, and also the whole GCC countries, it is a desert area. But when it comes to Oman, it is a mixed terrain actually, and you are seeing some inhabitable places in between the rocky terrains where I magnified and zoomed in so that the inhabitable places, the houses and residences in Oman was able to be seen. And you saw the roads and residences in the beautiful terrain of Oman. So I was around 30 to 40 minutes. I couldn't put my camera back in my packet because all the landscapes and the sightings are beautiful ones. So I started taking videos in short video clips, and you are seeing these inhabitations in Oman, close to United Arab Emirates. And basically this is zoomed in images. When you see the aerial view, it was nothing. It was hardly visible. Any images are hardly visible, but I was able to zoom in with this S21 Ultra mobile smartphone camera, so that you are now seeing all these magnified and beautiful landscapes and images of Oman. And flight is now nearing the Dubai International Airport. Basically, you are now seeing the nearest vicinities of Dubai International Airport. Even before 1 minute and above, you started seeing the closest vicinities of Dubai International Airport, and the flight is touching the ground, touching the runway, and you are seeing the wings of the aircraft, and the shafts are flipping up as a kind of braking mechanism to reduce and contain the speed of the aircraft. And you are seeing the other aircrafts in the Dubai International Airport ready to take off or just arrived. And you are seeing the Dubai International Airport, which is very beautiful and very high infrastructure and internationally popular, and one of the biggest